Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable dark mode on the VIVO V60E. Let's begin! All you really want to do is just head into the settings, then you want to scroll down a little, enter display and brightness, and here we have our dark mode. As you can see, I have it enabled. If I will disable this, then I have this disabled. However, if we click on it, we can always click the auto on and off, and now we can fully customize if you want the dark mode to enable automatically, for example from sunset to sunrise or from certain time to time. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.